Hi guys, today I will teach you or tell you about how you can launch and grow a startup business. Thanks for the internet. There are vast amounts of options. If you think you've got what it takes to launch a startup business, as long as you've got a computer and a reliable internet connection, the sky is the limit where you can achieve. You don't need to be a technical whiz kid, as there are plenty of valuable tools that will help you build and launch your business. You just need to put in the hard work learning what you need. Another great benefit of starting a new online business is that you do it from your house or anywhere in the world. No one sets your schedule for your work, which means you can work as little as often as it suits you. Depends on how fast or successful you want to be in your business, or if you want to be a successful person. When it comes to a capital requirements, you don't need a lot. There are internet business you can get off the ground with no money, simply because there are a wealthy of free services to help the process. Here are just a few of ideas I will share with you, some of which you will look at in more detail a little later. Custom furniture production. First point is that custom furniture production, and second is homemade beauty products. And another is activity holidays, e-commerce retailers, cleaning services, handmade craft sellers, tutoring or digital courses, starting your own clothing line, publish a book, and etc. Level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, and expertise. Requirements: the right idea and customers for your products or services. Time: more than 6 months to start making money. Tools: you need tools, hosting, and domain, and the income will be from $50 to 1 million per month, no doubt. And that's it for today's. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.